God, I should live that long. That would be great. Well, I'll do one more. It's a thing off my new record. Just finished a new record, and I particularly thank Anna Coogan, who I think is here. She did a great job. And Matt, now, Matt and I get along great, and we're going along fine on the record. You know, he'd do something, I say it's great. But then I've already been in this one song. He's like, you know, you can tell when the engineer's like, It kind of like won't look you in the eye. I'm like, yeah, that's good. So, well, you know, the lyrics and the music don't have any relationship. Matt says. I'm like, yeah, I don't know, that's what's cool about it, man. It's like, and Matt's like, no, it's not. He says, you know, and for your sake and mine, says, I won't mix that tune. So, long story short, I said fine, so I got some other lyrics for it. But I want to dedicate this to Matt. Here's the lyrics that Matt wouldn't let me put on my record. Man, we got to maybe I can't find it. Oh yeah, okay. God, let's use a glass of water or something. This is the song that Matt wouldn't let me put on my record.
Doesn't rhyme.
It doesn't rhyme. That's what exactly was his comment. It's called All My Words Are Birds. The old man, I wasn't an old woman, it doesn't matter, heard a knock on the door of his or hers peppermint bunker. On the other side of the door, the pilgrim, like a question mark at the end of a long colluded sentence, said. The old man, or old woman, who cares, said, come in, the door is not locked. The pilgrim enters, slumps down the nearest chair and mutters, how can I tell right from wrong? The old man or the old woman replies, would you like a bowl of my delicious soup? Do you have crackers to go with it? Asked the pilgrim. Indeed I do. After eating the delicious soup and crackers, the pilgrim again asked, how do I tell right from wrong? The old man, or was it an old woman? Not that it really matters. Reached across the table and slapped the pilgrim upside the head. You asked the wrong question. It's not about right or wrong. It's about right or left. The kind action or the unkind action. Do unto others, etc. Oh, the pilgrim groans. That is my existential dilemma. The radical separation between the I and the other. At this, the old man, I wasn't an old woman, I think it was an old woman, laughed and laughed and laughed until the walls of the peppermint bunker shook and shoved the pilgrim out the door and into the black and blue forest. Should I turn right, he thought, or should I turn left? You tell me that there's not music that would go with that? Matt,